Hi guys, my name is Evan. I work in quality control here at 27 North, and today I'm going to be showing you how to winterize your van. Okay, so I've taken the liberty of removing the lagoon tables just to make it easier to get into the plumbing box. Next, you're going to want to remove the seat cushions. You can just set them aside, and this will give you easy access to your plumbing box. Alright, before we start winterizing our van, we're going to need some supplies. We're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a rag, a bucket, and of course, our antifreeze. So first things first, you're going to want to put the bucket underneath the drain outlet for the van. It's just going to be underneath here. So first things first, we're going to want to drain our fresh water system. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn off your water pump. After that, you're going to want to unplug and turn off your hot water heater. The next thing you're going to want to do is drain all of your faucets. This is going to include your faucet in the kitchen as well as your shower head. You're going to want to do the cold water and the hot water until everything comes out. Then you're going to close the valve. So next you're going to want to remove the shower head and make sure you drain out all of your cold and hot water. So next you're going to want to open your low point and freshwater drain valves. After opening the drain valves, you're going to wait until the system's completely drained into the bucket before moving on to the next step. Next, you're going to want to remove the water filter located underneath the sink. Normally, these lines will be hooked up to the cold line for the sink. However, since this is a brand new van, these lines haven't been connected yet. You're going to want to remove them before taking out the filter. After removing the water filter, you'll need to store it in a climate-controlled area. The next step of the winterization process is going to be bypassing and then removing your hot water heater. First, you're going to go ahead and close the valves going into your hot water heater. Then you're going to open your hot water heater bypass valve. So next, we're going to go ahead and start the process of removing our hot water heater. You're going to use a flat tip screwdriver to loosen the clamps to these hoses. After disconnecting them all, you're going to go ahead and remove your hot water heater. You'll remove the hot water heater by loosening this strap, which will allow you to easily remove the hot water heater. After removing the hot water heater, you're going to take it outside and pour it upside down to drain out all the excess water. After that, you're going to store it in a climate-controlled area. Next, you're going to take your antifreeze jug, place it into the plumbing box, and use the winterization hose and put it into the jug. Before turning on the pump, you're going to want to close the valve going to your freshwater tank. Then you're going to place the hose into the antifreeze jug and open the valve to the antifreeze inlet. If you don't have a winterization hose installed in your venture van, you can add antifreeze to the system by pouring the jug of antifreeze into the water inlet on the outside of the van. Next, you're going to turn on your water pump to draw the antifreeze into the system. You're going to turn on both faucets, hot and cold, to pour antifreeze through the system and observe the antifreeze coming out. Don't forget to run the antifreeze through your shower as well. You'll need to do the same thing, turn on the cold as well as the hot, and wait till the pink antifreeze comes out of the shower head. You'll also need to run antifreeze through your toilet. Open the lid, press the blue button on the back, and wait for the pink antifreeze to come through. Then you're good to go ahead and flush the toilet, and your toilet is winterized. So lastly, you're going to want to take out your cassette toilet and drain the cassette toilet as well as your gray tank at an RV dump station. And that's how you winterize your 27 North Venture van. Pretty easy, right? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.